There are many ways to shape and direct light to where it's needed. Lenses can be used, but with LED lighting, the inherent glare can be magnified. In applications like streetlights, this glare can be annoying at best and a safety hazard at worst. To reduce the effects of glare, these white reflective hoods, made from Celastic MS2002 moldable silicone, can be used with LED lighting. Our sample white reflective hood is designed for an acorn-shaped streetlight. This hood design provides lower glare than a typical lens design, especially since the LEDs are partially concealed by the reflector. The underside of the reflector is used to direct light downward, especially light above the LED's viewing axis. With the light directed downward and not toward the sky, this design helps meet the recommendations of the International Dark Sky Association. It also provides improved downward directed light near the pole. That's because it projects a smaller shadowed area around the base. Our silicone material is highly reflective. Both the top and the bottom surfaces of the reflective hood participate in directing the light. The top side of the hood is used to redirect low-angle light outward from the LEDs above it. Because low-angle light is typically lost within a refractive optic or the lamp housing, this design improves the total output and uniformity. Here's one example of the reflective hoods being used in a street lamp. When we look down on the lamp's light simulation, you can see the pattern of uniform light output that's created, even without a Fresnel globe, for the 360 degrees around this streetlight. Let's look more closely at a single reflective hood. The material itself, the Celastic MS2002 moldable silicone, is highly reflective and UL listed. The material is also UV resistant, with fewer heat-related limitations than traditional plastics. The surface finish on our sample is a soft, bead-blasted finish for a very diffuse reflection, but other surface finishes could be used, like the highly polished one here. We have molded these hoods individually. This allows for flexibility in the number of LEDs on different fixtures. But the parts also can be molded in a sheet, with multiple hoods making up one larger component. Either way, the parts can be attached using the glue groove, screw attachment, or other design.